Welcome to part 3 of our series on using the Libby app. In this video, we will walk through the process of accessing your loans and also customizing the viewer to your preferred settings. To borrow a title, you start by tapping on the cover and then tapping Borrow found underneath the cover on the next screen. As an example, I will be using an eBook first and then we'll show the differences between the other formats. Once you hit Borrow, you will be shown a confirmation screen, which will show you the title's details. The collection you are borrowing the title from, the amount of loans and holds available on your account, and lastly, the loan period. You can change the default loan period by tapping on the 14 days highlighted text and then selecting either 7 days, 14 days, or 21 days. After confirming the loan, you may be shown the message to set up notifications on your device. You can choose what settings apply best for you, or you can skip temporarily by tapping Not Now. You will then be given the option to open the book, to keep browsing, or to go to your shelf. If you have your device connected to Wi-Fi, your title will download automatically, unless you change that setting. If you are using your phone's data and not Wi-Fi, you will be shown a warning suggesting that you change to Wi-Fi. This is to avoid any costs that may occur due to the use of phone data. Once the title is downloaded, your screen will look like this. Starting from the top left, you will see the back arrow. This will take you back to the home menu by double tapping. Next to that is the appearance icon in the shape of a capital A. This menu will allow you to customize some of the settings. These include the text scale, which is the display size of the text. You can also tap the switch to include accessibility sizes, which increases the possible sizes of the font even more. Some of the other features are the lighting of the background, which can be light, sepia, or dark. Lastly, you can change the type of font used in the title. The options are Publisher's Default, which has a consistent size of writing, Legible, Scholar, Paperback, Open Dyslexic, and Custom. I encourage you to try all of them and see which works best for you. After the appearance icon is the search function, which allows you to search for keywords or phrases within the book. The final icon in the top right is the bookmark icon. To place a bookmark, tap the icon directly below this in the right-hand corner, as demonstrated here. Tap it again if you wish to remove the bookmark. Moving to the bottom, you will find the book's table of contents displayed as a reel. Within the reel are thicker lines, which are the chapters. Above the reel is the name of the chapter that you are on, and above that is a circle featuring the cover art. To the left side of the circle is the page number you are on, and to the right side is the total number of pages in the book. In the bottom right is a fingerprint. This allows you to see your history of viewing, and the bottom left is a directional hand that will allow you to go backwards or forwards to your previous page or section when tapped. The first noticeable difference between eAudio and eBook is the layout of the screen. Starting from the top left, you will see that the back arrow that takes you to the home menu is still there. To the right of that, we have 4 different icons. The first is the playback speed, so that you can increase or decrease the speed to your desired listening. Next to that is the sleep timer. This allows you to set a specific time that the audiobook will stop at. Lastly, the next 2 icons are related to bookmarks. The one next to the sleep timer allows you to view all of the bookmarks you have placed, and the one to the far right is the icon to tap to place a bookmark. Directly beneath this row is a line that will show you the total amount of time you have spent listening, the percentage of the audiobook you have listened to, and the time remaining in the audiobook. Underneath this is the cover art of the eAudioBook, and below that you will see the player. This is what controls the playing and listening experience. In the center is a play and pause button. Tapping that will either start or pause the audiobook. To the side of these are the rewind and fast forward buttons, which allow you to move 15 seconds forward or back. Underneath this is the reel that will allow you to scroll through to a specific time within the audiobook. This is an alternative to pressing the forward and rewind buttons. Lastly, in the bottom right is a fingerprint. This allows you to see your history of viewing, and the bottom left is a directional hand that will allow you to go backwards or forwards to your previous section when tapped. ePress titles work a little differently to other content on Libby. Firstly, they are always available. This is noticeable from each magazine's homepage, where it says Open Magazine instead of Borrow. Another difference is the ability to subscribe to the magazine. By doing this, you will automatically receive the latest issues as they are released. Tapping on Open Magazine will download the magazine to your device. Once you have your downloaded title, you will open the viewer, which is very similar to that of the ebooks. Starting from the top left, you will see the back arrow. This will take you back to the home menu by double tapping. Next to that, you have the zoom icon, which you can tap to zoom in on the page you are viewing. After the zoom icon is the appearance icon, in the shape of a capital A. This menu, like in the ebook reader, will allow you to customize some of the settings. However, some of these settings may be locked down, such as the text scale. Some of the other features are the lighting of the background, which can be light, sepia or dark, the way in which you navigate, which can either be the individual pages or by a reel, and lastly, you can change the settings of links that may appear in the magazine. Next to that is the search function, which allows you to search for keywords or phrases within the magazine. The final icon in the top right is the bookmark icon. To place a bookmark, tap the icon directly below this in the right-hand corner. Tap it again if you wish to remove the bookmark. Moving to the bottom, you will find the magazine contents displayed as you selected, as well as the page number and the chapter title. In the bottom right is a fingerprint. This allows you to see your history of viewing, and the bottom left is a little hand that will allow you to go back to your previous page or section. Well done. For more instruction on how to use Libby, please watch the other videos in this series, which will be linked below and at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please click like if this video was helpful.